Good morning, everyone. This is Saucy, the traveling towboat chef. Today's video is featuring chicken cordon bleu, my version. So also too, I noticed that I forgot to attach some pictures of the debris in the dams as we went through some locks, or lock 19, I should say, or one of the locks. Anyways, so you'll be seeing that at the end as well. I do want to let you all know that Friday I will be getting off this boat, and I'll be home for a few days, and then on the 26th I go to another boat. Now while I'm on that boat, from this boat I'm going to be taking a picture, or I'm going to do a video of my room, of the crew lounge, and basically some parts of the lower deck. Then, when I get to the other boat, you'll see the difference in sizes, setups, and everything else. So not every towboat is the same. So I will be posting that video after I get on the other boat. And I believe I will be on the Illinois River on that boat, unless they send it back down to the lower part. I was hoping it would be down the lower, because I want to get down to NOLA or Baton Rouge and order some good Cajun food. Nuts. But anyways, enjoy this video. Like I said, I did the, what do you call it? The chicken cordon bleu. And I'll post how I make it in the description. Or if you want, email me down in the link below, and I will send you the recipe. You all have a great and wonderful day. Hi everyone, Saucy here, the traveling towboat chef. Anyways, today we're making chicken cordon bleu. Not the real fancy kind, but for what you got in your refrigerator. So check this out. Let me see if I can switch this around again. Why do I have a problem with this? Okay, pause. Be right back. Here's the ingredients. It's chicken breasts. Of course, you use that darn little thing. So you kind of pound and beat them to death a little bit. So to flatten them out, make them easier, more palatable to roll. So then, of course, you got your ham. So then you got your Swiss cheese. Then you got to roll it in all these breadcrumbs. And it does turn out like this. I would show you how I do all this rolling, but unfortunately my phone don't have what do you call those things, gimbals yet, or anything to hold it down. So don't mind the mess, I've already started. But I'll be right back, and we'll show you a full pan of this, and I'll tell you what the rest of the thing you gotta do. Okay, lay out your chicken, and put a Swiss cheese on it. Put a ham on it. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Covered in breadcrumbs. And put it over here. I'll be right back. Now that they're all prepared, the next thing I do to help give it a little bit more crispiness on the top is I spray some ham on it. So as soon as I can. Oh, this is a big thing. Hold one-handed. Just enough to coat it just a little bit. Yikes. Okay. You see what I'm doing? I gotta have both hands. Oh, this is frustrating, but that's okay. We're getting it done. Okay, there it goes into the oven. The reason why I put foil on it so it doesn't burn the breading before chicken is all cooked all the way through. So for about 30 minutes, cover it with foil, and then I'll show you what I do after I uncover it. Be right back. After 30 minutes, then you put it back in the oven for probably about 10 minutes longer to brown that breading. Come back later. As you can see, it got a nice golden brown. So now we'll take some more Swiss cheese and top it. Be right back. Now, don't that look damn good? Real cheesy and smells delicious. We need smell-o-vision for this.